Hey, it's Clayton. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty eventful day here as the price started off very rough, made a little bit of a recovery, but really going into next week, there's some very well-defined areas that I think a lot of people will be watching. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have initially here with this key level of support right here at the 30.65 mark. And I'm not saying anything's guaranteed, but what I am saying is that it is a more than valid, a more than rational thought to have that, if the price hovers around here and then breaks down through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but that is certainly a more than valid thought to have because you're going to have a bunch of longs and shorts watching that level and wondering, whether or not the price can ultimately hold above there or not. If it does not, then the next level of support you'd want to turn your attention to sits down here around the 30.35 mark. So a 30.65 near-term level, if that can't quite hold up, then it would not be shocking to see the price then drift down there to do battle with that 30.35 mark. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about that purple line right there. It's on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. In fact, let me squeeze on the chart just so we can get more of a track record of this line. So ever since the price fell back or down below it right there, you can see that from there it's just been a slow and steady drift down in the bearish direction. So I'm not saying that the price can never get up above there. I'm just saying that I would be very skeptical in terms of using any sort of bullish terminology until the price can prove itself by getting above that purple line and staying above it. And then at that point, it starts to make more sense to start to use more bullish terms such as reversal and stuff like that. But overall, those are going to be the main levels to watch moving forward. But yeah, I'm very curious about these levels of support to see if this is some sort of bottoming phase here or if the price is going to roll back over. So early next week, going to be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.